Introducing Ring Video Doorbell 2. We've updated our original Ring Video Doorbell with some exciting new features. This video will highlight the differences between the two versions. While both Ring doorbells allow you to see, listen, and speak to visitors, Ring Doorbell 2 offers 1080p HD video, while Ring Doorbell offers 720p HD video. We've also updated the way you can power your Ring doorbell. Ring Doorbell 2 features a removable, rechargeable battery, so you can leave your Ring doorbell on the wall while you charge your battery. You can also purchase an additional battery and simply replace it when the battery in your Ring doorbell runs out, so you don't have any downtime while charging. We've made improvements to night vision, so the video footage for Ring Doorbell 2 is less grainy than Ring Doorbell. Finally, Ring Doorbell 2 arrives with interchangeable faceplates, so you can change your faceplate whenever you want. Ring Doorbell 2 comes with an adapter plate if you already have a Ring Video Doorbell and don't want to drill new holes in your wall. In addition to the adapter plate, Ring Video Doorbell 2 also comes with a mounting wedge and corner wedge, which can help improve your view and motion detection. To learn more, please watch our adapter plate video or wedge and corner mount installation videos. For more information, visit ring.com.
Remember the last time you needed to send a message or tell someone where you were, but for some reason you couldn't? That's because there were probably too many people around you. Or you were too far from a tower. Or maybe the network was down. And you probably saw this, or this, or one of these. That's all about to change with Gotenna. Gotenna pairs wirelessly with your smartphone, making it possible to text and share your location with anyone else who also has one, even when you don't have service. No need for cell towers, Wi-Fi, or satellites. With Gotenna, you can communicate no matter what. Find friends even when the rest of the crowd is struggling to get their message through. Gotenna's great for travel because it works anywhere in the world. Explore and roam for free. And if there's an emergency, you can send a message to all Gotennas within range. Because here's the thing, cell phones are great, but there's a lot of situations when they're just not that reliable. It's time to start your own network and make no service, no problem. Gotenna.
So it's an unsubstantiated fact that 100% of dads and husbands consider themselves grill masters, while only 20% succeed past turning the thing on. Well, we've got a product here that'll at least make grilling or using a smoker a heck of a lot easier. The Grill Eye is a top-of-the-line smart Bluetooth grilling and smoking thermometer with FDA-approved thermometer probes that monitors your grill or smoker, allowing you to step away and relax with your friends and family. Once your food reaches optimum temperature, you'll receive a notification on your smartphone. This saves you all the time in between, usually consumed with constantly checking the meat, as if prodding it every 15 seconds will make it cook faster. The Grill Eye has the best Bluetooth range in the market, reaching up to 300 feet in open space. It includes 2 pro-grade meat thermometer probes made of space-grade aluminum and stainless steel, and 2 clips for ambient temperature readings. The 6 available ports allow you to monitor up to 6 probes at one time, and the rugged design was made to withstand rough conditions of grilling without losing its aesthetics. You can purchase the Grill Eye today for $89.90 in one of the official resellers found on grilleye.com.